Hi everyone. Firstly, I want to introduce myself first. My name is Mustaqim bin Kamaruzaman and my metric number is 228951. Today I will present to all of you about the photo detector design using Schottky and PN junction. Here is the introduction about what is a photodetector. A photodetector is a semiconductor device that converts light into electrical signals. It is widely used in optical communication, cameras, environmental monitoring, and also industrial automation. As all of you can see here is the figure of the photodetector. At the top, which is that consists of the electron surface, is actually called as the conduction band. And at the bottom, that consists of the whole surface is actually called as the valence band. At the center, which is between the conduction and also between the valence band, is called as the Fermi level. So here is about the PN junction photodetector. What is the structure to make the PN junction photodetector? It actually consists of the P-type semiconductor, N-type semiconductor, and also depletion region. Of course, all of you want to know how this working principle is actually work. Firstly, incident photons are absorbed by the semiconductor junction. And then electron hole pairs are generated in or near the depletion region. The built-in electric field separates electrons and holes. And then finally, the movement of charge produces photocurrent. There are three advantages of the PN junction photodetector, which is high sensitivity, low noise, and also good stability. Here we will discuss about the Schottky photodetector. The structure is the metal semiconductor junction, and the working principle is when light reaches metal semiconductor interface, the electron gain energy and charge carriers cross the Schottky barrier, and then electrical current is generated. The advantages of the Schottky photodetector is fast response speed, simple structure, and suitable for high frequency application. Here I will talk and explain to all of you about the comparison between the PN junction and also the Schottky photodetector. The first feature that I will explain to all of you is actually the structure. The structure of the PN junction is actually consists of the PN junction, while for the structure for the Schottky it consists of the metal and semiconductor. The next one is about the sensitivity. For the PN junction is actually higher, while for the Schottky is a moderate. For the response speed for the PN junction is a moderate, while for the Schottky is very fast. When we want to talk about the cost for the PN junction is moderate, while for the Schottky is lower. Finally, what is the application of the PN junction? Is something like sensors, cameras, while for the application for the Schottky is something like optical communication. Here is about the real world problem that facing our country today. It's actually yearly forest fire detection. What is the problem? Delayed detection causes extensive environmental damage, and forest fires contribute to air pollution and biodiversity loss. How to propose innovative solution? Of course, we want to solve this problem, right? We need to use the smart forest fire detection system. We need to use these two components, which is the Schottky photodetector and also the PN junction photodetector. Of course, all of you have high interest about how this actually works, right? The operation is actually detect infrared and visible light emitted by the fire and then convert light signal into electrical signal. The sustainability impact, support environmental protection and reduce fire damage. It's proven that the semiconductor can help our work to become more sustainable in the future. And also, it's also proven that the semiconductor device can give a positive impact in terms of the environment and also the sustainability. Here is about the conclusion, which is the photodetectors convert light into electrical signals, and PN junction photodetectors provide high sensitivity, and the Schottky photodetector offer rapid response. Semiconductor device can contribute to sustainable solution. I hope in the future we can use semiconductor device to contribute to sustainable solution because it actually safe for us without give any negative impact. So it's actually safe for us to use. At the right side, which is the reference list that I use for the for me to produce this slide presentation. I think all of you also can use this reference list for you to do some research about the Schottky photodetector and something else. I think that's all from me. I hope all of you enjoy my video presentation. That's all from me. Thank you very much.